Welcome to Bloom Health Haven. Why you struggle to listen to your body and how to reconnect. In today's hyper-connected, fast-paced world, many of us have lost one of the most fundamental connections we possess: the connection to our own bodies. We live in a culture that glorifies productivity, hustle, and pushing through discomfort. We are often told to ignore pain, suppress emotions, and keep going no matter what. But what if this relentless ignoring is exactly what's causing your fatigue, anxiety, or chronic health issues? Your body speaks to you every moment through sensations, feelings, aches, and moods. But when those messages are drowned out or dismissed, the consequences can be profound. The science of body awareness, interoception. To understand why it's so hard to listen to your body, we need to talk about a fascinating concept called interoception. Interoception is your brain's ability to sense internal bodily signals. It tells you when you're hungry, thirsty, tired, or anxious. The brain region called the insula plays a crucial role here. It integrates signals from the body and helps you interpret them as feelings or needs. However, stress, trauma, and lifestyle factors can disrupt interoception. When this happens, you might feel disconnected from your hunger cues, emotional pain, or fatigue. You might overeat or undereat because you can't read your body's hunger signals. You might push through exhaustion or ignore emotional distress. Why do we lose this connection? Several factors contribute. Chronic stress. Your nervous system prioritizes survival over comfort. It filters out signals deemed non-essential to keep you alert. Trauma. Past emotional or physical trauma can cause dissociation, where your mind checks out from bodily sensations to avoid pain. Cultural conditioning. Societal messages often tell us to tough it out or keep going. Emotions and bodily needs are sometimes dismissed as weaknesses. Technology overload. Constant distraction from phones and screens pulls your attention away from internal cues. Poor sleep and nutrition. Without rest and proper nourishment, your brain struggles to process bodily information. Signs you might be disconnected: difficulty recognizing hunger or fullness, ignoring chronic aches or fatigue, feeling numb or emotionally flat, reacting with anxiety or irritability without knowing why, overworking despite feeling exhausted. Why reconnecting matters. When you reconnect with your body, you gain better health. Early warning signs are noticed, allowing for timely care. Emotional regulation, recognizing feelings before they overwhelm you. Improved decision-making, clearer mind and intuition. Greater well-being, feeling grounded, present, and alive. Practical steps to reconnect with your body. Mindful body scan. Set aside 5 minutes daily. Close your eyes. Mentally scan from head to toe. Notice sensations, tension, warmth, tingling. Don't judge or try to change anything. Simply observe. This practice strengthens your interoceptive awareness. Gentle movement yoga, tai chi, or slow stretching help tune your body's messages. Movement awakens senses and releases stored tension. Breathwork, deep breathing, calms your nervous system. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Repeat 5 times. Notice how your body responds. Journaling. Write about physical sensations and emotions. What are you feeling right now? Are there areas of discomfort? What might your body be trying to tell you? Reduce distractions. Limit screen time, especially during meals and before bed. Spend time outdoors, connecting with nature. Prioritize rest. Listen to signs of fatigue. Allow naps or early bedtimes without guilt. Seek professional support. If trauma or disconnection is severe, therapists trained in somatic therapies can help. Real-life story. Emma's journey back to herself. Emma was a busy executive. She ignored persistent headaches and exhaustion. She overate to cope with stress but didn't realize it was emotional hunger. Through therapy and mindfulness, she learned to listen to her body's signals. She practiced daily body scans and gentle yoga. Over months, Emma's headaches reduced. Her energy improved. She felt more emotionally balanced. Final thought: reconnecting with your body is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Each small step deepens your awareness and healing. Remember, your body is your home. Listening to it is an act of self-love. Visit bloomhealthhaven.com and edithspro.com for guided tools, courses, and community support. Empowering wellness, embracing life.